We feel very lucky to have the opportunity to share music with Pakistanis audience.
We did a concert, a super concert with a good concentration, and the people were really attentive to all the music we did, and we share all together something really strong.
I love to play in this place because we are wind instruments, so it's better when there's no roof on the top of our heads.
I studied in Geneva, in Switzerland, with a great master of oboe called Maurice Bourg, which is the man of the 20th century of the oboe.
I wanted to play chamber music with a little number of musicians playing whatever we want to play without conductor. That was the main purpose at the beginning.
Audience Karachi and audience Lahore and audience Islamabad were totally different. Lahore was an audience with a lot of students. Here, I think the people knew a little bit of this music, this Occidental classical music. So I think there was something really spiritual and really with faith, a lot of faith.
And I like to play a modern European flute, but in wood, because I'm in love with Bansuri flute. It was always a kind of ideal for me of tone. The tone of Bansuri flutes, the softness of the sound, very suave, inspired me a lot.